Hello YouTube, and here's how to remove a wall hung toilet like this one where you can't find any fixings on how to remove this toilet from the wall. So first of all, what you're going to need is a towel, and you're going to need to fold it up and push it underneath the toilet to support the toilet, so when you undo it, it doesn't fall and crack the tiles or damage the pan. So first, look around the toilet, make sure you can't see any cover caps or any little fixing bolts on the outside that you might see to remove your toilet. But if you can't see anything, then first of all, remove the toilet seat with these two buttons and then push them in at the same time and lift up the toilet seat. This will remove the toilet seat. I've also got another video on the channel on how to remove a toilet seat if you're stuck at this step. So with that removed, then you can remove the shrouds from the fixings. There is a little groove in the chrome where you can get a little screwdriver and prise it up very gently until you can lift it away with your fingers. So with that done on one side, you then put that to one side and you move on to the second side. So same again, get your screwdriver in there and prise it up. So the next thing you want to do is remove the screws from the fixing. So undo that so the screw comes out, and then you want to wind the screw back into the fixing to be able to pull the fixing out of the toilet. So with this one, I just used my flat bladed screwdriver and undo it. You can undo it some of the way, then grab the whole fixing and pull it out, or you can undo and then put the screw back in and pull the fixing out like I do. So you remove it, grab the screw, wind it back into the fixing and then pull straight up quite hard. You might need some grips or something with a bit more bite on it to grab hold of this screw, and you should see the fixing come out like so. If these snap, it's not a problem, you just have to order a replacement set. Next, you want to grab yourself a 6mm Allen key. Make sure it's nice and long. Then inside them fixing holes for the toilet seat is where the fixings are for the toilet. So you want to start unloosening these Allen keys lefty-loosey. Now this is going to loosen the toilet seat from the wall, so be prepared. Make sure you stick something underneath to brace it, or put your knees in front of it and push against the tiles to brace the toilet. So once you've undone them and pulled the toilet away, should come up with something like this. As you can see, these grooves are where the grooves for the Allen keys slide into. So when you stick your Allen key in and turn it, as you're just about to see, you'll see the Allen keys move up and down inside of the fixing. So you can put your Allen key in like so, and I'll just show you what it looks like from the inside. Wind it in, as you can see, that grub screw will bite on. Now all you got to do is do your repair and then do it in reverse order. So I hope this video has helped. Please like and subscribe.